The truth is that same-sex marriage has zero effect on anyone's religion or beliefs. The truth is that people like Jim Franklin over at Cornerstone Church are not trying to protect their beliefs, they're trying to control our lives. The truth is that children raised by gay parents are no different than children raised by straight parents. All serious scientific research has come to that conclusion. In fact, what those studies say is that not only are the children of gay parents just as well adjusted as the children of straight parents, often they are better adjusted than the children of straight parents. And the truth is that this nation was not founded on the principles of Christianity. This is a lie. It's not a misunderstanding, it's a lie. It takes very little time, in fact, to read about this. If this information is so easy to access, then how can such an aggressive opinion, which states the opposite, be anything other than a lie? The truth is our campaign for equal marriage rights has never once included a requirement for churches or religion to participate. The truth is that who we are does not have any effect on who you are. We grew up in a homophobic, straight America with straight influences all around us. We read straight books, had straight parents, and watched straight movies. And we were told every day that being gay or lesbian or transgendered was wrong. And none of it made any difference in who we turned out to be. We are all who we are innately. The truth is that today marks another point in our country's history when a minority group of Americans, people no different than anyone else, were enslaved by a majority, just because they wanted to. We must stop debating belief and start debating truth. There are facts, studies, and conclusions and research out there on paper that you can print up and hand to people. Why aren't we using these tools? Why are we merely having overly respectful and philosophical conversations with the opposition instead of showing them the facts? There are some hard-as-nails facts in our favor that are in a document that I would guess no one who voted for Prop 8 understands or has likely read, and that's the Constitution of the United States of America. This is not about belief. With one small exception, only one thing would change in the lives of others if we are allowed to marry. They would be uncomfortable. They'd see us getting married, watch commercials marketing marriage plans to us, see us holding hands on vacation, and have to occasionally sit behind us in traffic and stare at the back of our Subarus and Honda hybrids adorned with rainbow-colored taffeta streaming in the wind outlining the words which just declare that we just got married. They would have to see us and declare, they would have to see us, and that's the price of living in a free country. Living in a free country certainly doesn't mean that everything is the way you like it. America does not grant any of us the right to our own private field of vision. And don't listen when someone says that you don't respect their belief. As one Christian woman told a group of us when we protested Steve Cleveland, the Fresno State basketball coach at Save Mart Center, who donated $2,500 to strip Americans of equal rights. Frankly, I don't care what your belief is. We're debating your vote. Every time we engage on the belief distraction, we lose. It's a sidetrack, a diversion, and a lie. No one is working to change anyone's beliefs. And when that woman at the Save Mart Center said about those of us who were protesting Cleveland, that if we expect respect for our belief, then we need to respect her belief. But no one called her on it. No one said to her that this has nothing to do with belief. This is about tangible, very real civil rights, rights which she has, but we do not. And I guarantee you that once we have equal rights, there will be less and less debate over homosexuality, because we won't care as much. We're not out here day after day, year after year, decade after decade to try to get anyone to like us. We're fighting, yelling, sweating, and working for equality, for equal rights. LGBT Americans do not have equal rights in California and most of the rest of the nation. So if you want to have a conversation about the issue of legal same-sex marriage, you better leave your belief system behind, stay on topic, only speak the truth, and then explain to me why the greatest nation on earth still chooses to enslave a minority group just because they have more people in their camp. It's 2009. Do you know where your civil rights are? Thank you.
He got you guys pumped up, didn't he? Because y'all are loud. Or the sun's going down, you guys are getting more comfortable, right?